What's going on, guys? Today we're doing an R8 coil pack install on this 2010 Audi A4. We're doing it because it gets a misfire, which is very problematic. Whenever the car goes into boost, it stutters and misfires. It's not good, it's not smooth. VW and Audi have had a recurring problem with their stock OEM coil packs being really bad. They're just not up to par. So throwing an R8 coil pack in an A4 should do just fine. If it can survive in an R8, it should survive here. Let's get into it. Alright, to get started here, we're going to pop off the cover. The coil packs are right on top, along here. And there's one bolt that holds down the wiring that goes to the coil packs. It's a T30 Torx bit, and that's all it takes to swap out these coils. On the 2.0 T engines, it's a direct fit, no need for a spacer or anything. Now's a good time to check for valve cover leaks deep in there by your spark plugs. Ours are pretty good. No big oil pooling around the plugs, so we're time to put the new coil packs in. Nice. Nice.
Sometimes though, when I rev the piss out of first gear, it won't do it.
Ah.
So we'll see.
I'll try and make it misfire.
Okay. I'm good at that. Nothing.
Nice.
Well, that's good. Oh shit. Okay.
Good.
Okay.
Make
We
a left
like
here.
it. This is the test here. We're building. No way. No way. Oh yeah.
Alright, and just like that, it's a wrap on the R8 coil pack install. Installing in this 2.0 T is really easy, no spacers required, but if you got a 1.8 T, you'll need a spacer because it's a different length on the coil pack to make them all line up right. It's an easy install, literally took 5 minutes. You guys can do it at home in your driveway just like we did. As always, thanks for watching. Smash the like button down below and please subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. And as always, have a good day.